Mesachas Yevamos daf tzadivov. The Mishnah discusses the halacha of osu bias bentes biyavimte kemaime begadol. The biah of a bias bentes only has the status like a kinyan of maimer. And the Mishnah says that if he was bald yevimtoi, when he was more than bentes, and after he became a gadol, he married a second wife, and he wasn't together with his first wife, that he was kinyan when he was Yevamos, when he was a katon, and then he died. The first one is Yevamos. However, second wife is Yevamos. Since the second wife, he was kinyan, a kinyan gama when he was a gadol, so it's Yevamos. The Sefer Oil David asks a very strong question on this Mishnah. He says, since the first wife that he was kinyan and has the status of a kinyan maimer, there's Bemas Machlikus Rishonim in that also bias bentes kemaim begadol. Tosis holds that he's not kinyan midiraisa. However, according to Rashi, bias bentes is kinyan midiraisa. So we asked, according to Rashi, since it has the status of a kinyan midiraisa, so therefore, when he does chalitza on the first wife, he should be over on given shlebana shuvla yivneh and shouldn't be able to miyabim or be choylitz the second wife. The answer is kasha. There's two mahalchim in achronim. And the Sefer Yad HaMelech explains that even according to Shitas Rashi, that bias bentes is koyin midiraisa and it's nesmayit from oinshin, it's not a pshat that it's a miyat from oinshin belechod. The miyat from oinshin is a giroyin on the ikr kinyan of the bentes biyavimtoi ein shum la'el dafnon aleph they brought machlokes yishayim in this nekuda. So since it's a geroin in the ikar kinyan, and he says the ish is not osir akuli alma gehektish, it doesn't have a status like a kidushin midaraisa. So therefore, since she doesn't have a locha like she's mekudeshes to the bentes, so therefore midaraisa this ish is not nefeles the yibum b'chlal, and that she's nefeles the yibum is only because of the kinyan derabanan of maimer. So since it's only a kinyan derabanan of maimer that's mashva in the field the yibum on the ish rishaynas, therefore the chalitza doesn't make it isser yiboneh on the second wife. Eine sefer unig yontiv. You mentioned the Shir Elon Daf Samachal says a tremendous chiddush. He says, although you koine midiraisa the bias bentes, nevertheless a mitzvahs yibum the katon doesn't have, since he's not roy to have a child when he's a katon. So therefore, although he's koine Yevamos, nevertheless it's not a kiyum of mitzvahs yibum. So therefore, it wouldn't be mafkir the zika, and it's not bechlal kimin shlibona. Moving from the Chazon Ish, which mentioned the Shir El on the Nun base, proves on the fact that a cotton is not koine his Yevamos midiraisa. You see that the mitzvah of yibum is the kinyan, and therefore, since a cotton can't be koine the Yevamos, so therefore it's nachal. Of course, zika midiraisa. However, if the mitzvah's yibum will be the actual biah misad atzmo, it's therefore bechal, but the biah of the cotton itself, and that should mafkir the zika. And shum the el that we brought to dovivos matmiya on this chaznish. What's the raya from biah's cotton? A cotton is not roy for mitzvah bechal the same way a shaita eats matzah when he's a shaita is not mekayim the mitzvah. So a cotton it's boil Yevamos. Since he's not mechuyev a mitzvah, so therefore he doesn't have a loch of a mitzvah b'chlal. And he says, Adarabah Baruch Ber in Siman Beis brings a raya from the fact that you need a miyat for a cotton. You see that the mitzvah of yibum is the kinyan, and therefore you would think that a cotton's koine, but mitzvah the mitzvah is mufka from mitzvah since he's not a bar chiyuva. Eine shum the eldaf and beis that we said a mahalach to answer the Chazon Ish according to Chaim, and you could say a different mahalach that the Chazon Ish holds that a cotton is not b'chlal mitzvahs is only referring to the kiyum of the gavro. He's not a mechuyev a mitzvahs, and he's not yitzah the chiyuv of the mitzvah of the gavra. However, mitzvah the chefza of the maisa is a maisa mitzvah. Even though he's not mechuyev, it still has a din of a maisa mitzvah the chefza, and that's enough to mafkir zika. If the maisa biah itself mafkir zika, then the fact that a cotton did the mitzvah is enough to mafkir zika, and the only reason why he's not going is because the mitzvah is the kinyan. Moving further on, the Gemara says that David said, Yirotzen, that they should say over Dovishmum people Mazeh Because if they say over dvavar shmu mipiv Sifsosav dovivos bekever, there's a machlokes meforshim. What does it mean Sifsosav dovivos bekever? The Mashal brings that Rabbim asked, what does that mean that the Sifsosav dovivos bekever, since he's dead? So how could it be Sifsosav dovivos bekever? The Mashal says it's not shver and it's not rochak min haseichel, because the dibur is the koyach of the neshama, and it's poil on kelim shebeguf. V'chol dibur shel Torah tefillah is moile the koyach ruchni, and that koyach ruchni is mashpia on the guf to have Sifsosav dovivos even after misa. However, the Maral and Chedush Agoda says that the understanding of Sifsosav dovivos bekever is not referring to the Sifsosav of the guf, rather it's referring to the chelik of the neshama, the chelik of dibur, which is the chelik of the neshama. That's dovivos bekever when people say shmuel mipiv. There's many doim that achronim discuss the gabi des halacha of that you have to say a dover b'shem oimro in order that there should be Sifsosav dovivos bekever. The Panamiri says in his akdama that be'emes, even without saying the name of the Baal Hashmur, the fact that he said the Dvar Torah itself is enough. Since it is Klabishmai Gali, his Dvar Torah, that's enough that it should be Sifsosav dovivos bekever. However, it's kedai to say over in the name of the Baal Hashmur, because if it's said over in the name of Baal Hashmur, people will listen and be mekabel the Dvar Torah more. So therefore, it's better to say over in the name of the Baal Hashmur. However, other Achronim disagree and say Sifsosav dovivos bekever is specifically if you say the dover b'shem oimro. Another shaila that Achronim discussed, the Panamiris over here discusses if for Machaber to write his name on a sefer, and the Panamiris says arichis bezeh, and he says even without writing the name on a sefer will be Sifsosav dovivos bekever. And the Chidah and Shem Gdolim discusses that it's roy for people to write the name on the sefer because of many reasons. V'ayin sham. Another nidin in Achronim, the Steichemet says that if someone is mechadish the shtickle Torah and afterwards he finds someone from an earlier generation that said the shtickle Torah, could he say over the shtickle Torah as if it's his own chiddush, or must he say the chiddush b'shteim, the Rav that was makdim him? So he says that since he was mechadish the shtickle himself, he could say over the shtickle without saying b'shem oimro because it's his own shtickle Torah. I heard from Yedidi, Reb Shimon Shein Shlita, they asked Mereinu of Meir Hershkowitz Shlita, that what's the understanding in a Ber that he writes many times a shtickle Torah, and afterwards at the end he says that he heard the same shtickle Torah from Reb Chaim. So it's hard to understand why did Ber first write the shtickle Torah himself, and then afterwards he wrote that he heard the same shtickle Torah from Reb Chaim. Why didn't he write it in the first place in the name of Reb Chaim? So Meir Hershkowitz said that be'emes, it's not an Indian of Kovid Ba'almo that he writes the shtickle Torah, Kilu, his own shtickle Torah. Rather, that's his chelik in Torah. Since Baruch Ber was mechadish this shtickle Torah, therefore it's his chelik in Torah, and therefore he wrote it that it was own shtickle Torah. And afterwards he said that Reb Chaim said the same shtickle to mechazik his own shtickle, but it is his chelik in Torah. I understand for Birchas Avram that's Meirich in the Indian of Omer Dov B'Shem Moimroi, and he declares if it's specifically to say over shtickle Torah, you have to say over B'Shem Moimroi. How about if someone who's Mara Mokim to you, is that also B'chlal Omer Dov B'Shem Moimroi? And he says the Chazan Ish was not makbid if someone gave him Mara Mokim to say over B'Shem Moimroi, and he was Meirich that besides the halacha of Sifsosav dovivos bekever and maybe gul oilam, if you say over shtickle Torah, kilu it's your own shtickle Torah, it's bechlal gnei vastas, and many other shailas v'ayin sham barichas.